Hello and welcome to my channel, Sandra's Homespun Life. In today's video, I will be making some egg salad. And here are the ingredients that I'll be using to make today's recipe. I have 6 large hard-boiled eggs, Miracle Whip, yellow mustard, sweet pickle relish, sweet bell pepper, an onion, some celery seed, and some salt and pepper. Egg salad is a very easy recipe to make, and this recipe is going to come together very quick. So the first thing that I'm going to do is stir up my dressing ingredients for the egg salad. My first ingredient that I'm going to add is the Miracle Whip. Now this is just a little bit more than 1/4 of a cup, so I would just call it a heaping 1/4 of a cup of Miracle Whip. So I'm going to add that to my bowl. My next ingredient is the tablespoon of yellow mustard. Now using my whisk, I'm going to mix the Miracle Whip and the mustard together until it's well blended. Okay, I have my dressing all mixed up for my egg salad. At this point, you can taste it and see if you want to add a little bit more Miracle Whip or a little bit mustard, or leave it as is. My next step is to add some of the sweet pickle relish, and I just use a kitchen tablespoon, and I just put a heaping tablespoon in there. And now I'm just going to take my spoon and mix that all up together. Okay, I'm going to set this to the side. Here I have 6 large boiled eggs, so I'm just going to cut those up and chop them into a rough chop. And then I'll add them to my dressing mixture that I have set to the side. Now that I have all my eggs chopped up, I'm going to add them to my dressing mixture. Next, I'm going to season my eggs with some salt and pepper. You just add ever how much you want, suit your needs. Now I'm going to add just a little dash of celery seed. Now if this is an ingredient that you don't like, feel free to leave it out. So now I'm going to take my spoon and mix that all together. Next, I'm going to add some of my sweet red bell pepper. Now I've diced this up super fine. And if you don't like sweet bell peppers, then you can leave these out as well. And just add ever how many you want to your own egg salad to suit you. And next I have some diced onion, and I have it diced up real fine as well. And this is another ingredient that if you don't like it or don't want it in there, you don't have to add it. I'm just going to take the spoon and give us a final mix. And there you go. Now it's ready to be put on sandwich bread and served up. So I hope you've enjoyed today's video. It's a super simple recipe. I hope you'll give it a try, and I hope you enjoy it. And until next time, guys, bye.